Oh dear. Have you got the hiccups? Hello. Have you got the hiccups? Oh. Oh. Steady rubbing your tummy to help you get rid of them. You a bit...
Oh, Ira.
Well done. In case you didn't hear that, that was a bit of an explosion.
I'm sure they heard that.
Oh.
You alright, little man?
Shy.
Sleepy?
Sleepy. Oh. Said he's got the magic touch. Has he? Oh. Ira, hello. Oh, earthquake. Ira, hello. Aww. Oh. Oh dear. Rough handling. Oh. Hi. Hello.
Is that Mummy?
Hello.
What's she doing?
Hi.
What's she doing?
Oh.
Peter, thank you very much.
Oh. It's not very funny anymore, is it?
It's alright, we can sleep with hiccups.
Can we?
Yeah, he's done that before.
Oh. Look at those sleepy eyes.
Oh,
Oh. Well, it's not coming up the top.
No, that's true.
Oh. Okay. It's middle, stare into the middle distance. I think he's on his way out.
Hiccups have gone?
Hiccups have gone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye. Bye, Christopher. Bye-bye, Christopher.